Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Ikra. So now we are present here in Royal Metropolitan Medical University with our very respected guest, Dr. Aftab. So as you can see that we have international coaching classes, especially FMG coaching classes ongoing in Royal Metropolitan Medical University. So let's go ahead and take reviews from students. So what's your name?
My name is Dr. Tayyeba.
Tell us about the FMG coaching class.
We have FMG coaching classes from 3 p.m. till 6 p.m. with the regular classes, and we are preparing for the USMLE and also FMG exam so that we can go to other countries.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. So let's move forward and take reviews from any other students. So, okay. So what's your name?
Dr. Mohsin.
And Mohsin, can you please tell us about the Royal Metropolitan Medical University? यहाँ पर studies कैसी हैं? And will you recommend this university to all the audience?
Thanks for giving me the opportunity for right now. Yes, of course, RMU University is one of the best university in the Kyrgyzstan, and it provide us a very qualifying staff for students, and very qualifying, very cooperative in every field, and they are very punctual, and these are the things should be present in a university according to the rules, regulations. They are very good for students and teachers also.
Thank you so much. So what's your name?
Muhammad Abdullah.
Okay, Abdullah, can you please tell us कि international जो coaching classes होती हैं, FMG की coaching classes, वहाँ पर teaching faculty कैसी है, and are you guys like happy कि अच्छा है सब कुछ, and will you recommend students के वो यहाँ से आए इंडिया से और
बिल्कुल ऐसा ही है कि हमारे जो टीचर्स हैं वो तो यूएसएमएलई क्वालिफाइड है, और ये कैसा पैटर्न है जिसके ऊपर हम किसी भी कंट्री के अंदर जाके अपने होमलैंड अपना टेस्ट पास करना हो, जैसे हम अगर इंडिया में देखें तो नीट का एग्ज़ाम है, तो हम उसके लिए उसके मुताबिक तैयारी करवाते हैं ताकि बच्चे उधर जाएँ और वो हमें इसको कवर कर सकें, और हम इनके साथ काफ़ी खुश हैं, कंफर्टेबल माहौल रहता है.
Thank you so much everyone for giving us the reviews about the university education. So as you can see guys, यहाँ पर proper FMG next exam की coaching classes होती हैं, जहाँ पर international level के teachers जो हैं वो present होते हैं, और आप USMLE, PLAB, FMG जैसे एग्जाम्स को इजीली क्रैक कर सकते हैं. आई थिंक दैट्स वन ऑफ द रीजंस के रॉयल मेट्रोपॉलिटन मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी की जो पासिंग परसेंटेज है FMG में वो 95% है. थैंक यू सो मच.
Sir, as of now we have came to the third floor of your university. We have the total accounts sector over here. So let's go and see the account sector here. Here is the waiting area so that the students can wait here peacefully, and here is the accounts office, who is the head of accounts totally, leading with the students fees and all. And we also have Dr. Ali sir, and he leads with the student affairs and visa process of all the students and all. So sir, please explain the process of
I'm Kamran, accountant of RMU. If students want to pay in my office through cash, we will give on the spot a computerized slip, and if a student want to pay in our bank, international bank, they will also pay through bank, and also Dr. Aftab here, they will pay to direct to Dr. Aftab, and they give to us, give you an computerized slip, and very secure, no issue in the fees related.
Welcome sir. Actually I want to say some words about Indian students. They are we have 200 students from India. They have passed the FMG exam. I will show you their result card, and we have very good passing ratio, and this why RMU is best for Indian student because we have all international accreditations, as you know, plus we have more passing ratio for FMG exam, and this is multicultural university. Like recently we had many events for Indian student like Diwali, Holi and Tamil Puthando, and 2 to 3 days ago we had cultural festival. So academically it is more better because no other university provides clinical rotation from first semester, but RMU have clinical rotations from first semester till 10th semester, and there are many other facilities like simulation, anatomical practice, digital anatomy room, or there is a research center in which students can make online presentations through Quran program.
Like modern infrastructure.
Like modern infrastructure. And I also welcome you to RMU, and Indian student, those who want to get admission, they can come to Dr. Aftab, and they can also apply online through him. Thank you so much, Dr. Aftab, for coming to RMU. And nice to meet you.